Now we are going to talk about cloud computing. Firstly, we have to know about what is cloud computing. Cloud computing is a delivery of on-demand computing services from applications to storage and processing power, typically over the internet and on a pay-as-you-go basis. How does rather than owning their own infrastructure and own database servers and other stuffs, we use cloud. So in the market there are so many cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Azure, Microsoft Azure, IBM Cloud, Oracle Cloud, Google Cloud. But in all, Amazon and Azure are more popular, and Azure is the new, and Amazon is the leading one. So what is the benefit of cloud computing? There are the benefits of Azure cloud computing, that is agility. Agility means you can quickly sign up resources as you need. Cost saving. The cloud allow you to trade capital expenses such as data center and physical server for variable expenses and only pay for IT as you consume it. Plus the variable expenses are much lower than what you would pay to do it yourself because of the economies of scale. Deploy globally in minutes. It is the very important and very big benefit of cloud computing, that you can deploy your infrastructure in minutes in globally. Elasticity, it is also a very good benefit. With cloud computing you don't have to over provision resources upfront to handle peak level of business actively in future. Instead, you provision the amount of resources that you actually need. You can scale these resources up or down to instantly to grow and shrink capacity as your business need. And also, how does cloud computing work? It is a very important question. Rather than owning their own computing infrastructure or data center, companies can rent access to anything from applications to storage from cloud service provider. One benefit of using cloud computing services is that firm can avoid the upfront cost and complexity of owning and maintaining their own IT infrastructure, and instead simply pay for they use when they use it. So uh, what is I am going to explain you, that is the benefit of cloud computing. And cloud computing services cover vast range of option. Now the type of cloud computing, how cloud computing services and cloud provider provide us services. So there are three type of services, that is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. In that, infrastructure as a service refers to deploy, provide the complete access to the server operating system. Typically, infrastructure as a service provide hardware, storage, server, and data center space or network components It may also include software, for example EC2. EC2 is the service of Amazon Web Service, and platform as a service. In platform as a service, one does not get access to the whole operating system. This point is very clear that one does not get access to the whole operating system. Rather, access is given at a dashboard level where a user upload the data and rest is taken care by the cloud provider. Here is an example of Elastic Beanstalk, that is also a AWS service. So in Elastic Beanstalk, what we will do, we will upload our code and AWS deploy our website. We have to configure all platform like Node.js, Python, Java, .NET, and the rest of the thing taken care by AWS. We simply have to deploy our code, and all over the infrastructure, all the data, all the system made by AWS. We don't have that much. We don't have to um, care about this. And next is software as a service. Software as a service refer to practice directly providing the software to the customer without making any server or dashboard available to them. Like Facebook, we are just using Facebook. We cannot configure, we cannot maintain, and we cannot code for Facebook. So this is the things.